I gotta be honest with you.
What?
Time was something we didn't have. The paint is still wet.
Still wet.
Still wet.
Holy shit! The car was even celebrating. Good morning, guys. It is 4 o'clock in the morning and it is time to make our trek all the way to New York. It is a 15-hour drive to make it to New York. So let me open up the trailer and show you what we have. So guys, I grabbed basically everything that I thought we could maybe even possibly need to make sure I'm not missing anything. But we got old parts, we got all the new Motion Raceworks parts, we got the old intercooler, we have the Drag Cartel Billet K-Series transmission, we have all the Viber Performance stuff, we have our billet motor sitting here. I don't know if I have enough straps on it. This thing kind of scares me a little bit because we have over, I think 1,000 miles or something like that to do. It might get a little bouncy in this trailer at some time, and I was really worried about this engine stand kind of like breaking or cracking or something like that happening while we're transporting this. So I did a couple of things. I made some quick little bars that I bolted to the engine stand to kind of like triangulate this. I mean, it wiggles, but I mean, there's probably nothing I can do about that. Hopefully it's fine. We'll check up on it, you know, every 100 miles or a couple hundred miles. We'll make sure it's good. And then we got the old toolbox fully packed, strapped in the back of the trailer. So we got some driving to do. We have made it to our first of many stops. We are almost into Virginia, grabbing some fuel right now. This thing's gonna be thirsty because I think diesel right now is like $4 a gallon where I'm at. In Georgia, it's like $3.20. So I'm gonna fill this puppy up. It looks like we're not gonna get there until about 7 o'clock at night. 16 hours total. It is a haul to get up there in one day. Come and check in on everything in here. Engine looks like it's not really going anywhere. She's you know, my old strap job did good. Toolbox still looking good. Nothing moving around. We'll fill this thing up, get back on the road. Well guys, you can see that sun is already setting. We've been driving for almost 12 hours now. It is I think like a 16-hour drive, but actually gonna end up longer because I forgot we have to take the truck route and we cannot drive this thing through New York City like I did last time on accident. That was a nightmare. All right guys, awesome news. Literally rolling 16 hours, 900 miles of straight driving. We are here. Who is ready to see the Blue Turd? I can't friggin' wait. This is crazy. Look at the time clock. Exactly 16 hours. That is wild. Well, I recognize this slow GTR right here.
Oh,
What's up?
Yo, what are you doing?
It's good, man. How you doing?
How are you, bud?
Good, man. Cold?
Cold, yeah, cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Dude, at least you got a heated shop.
It's cold outside.
I got out of the gas station at 37 degrees. I almost turned around. I didn't feel like messing with any police.
How are you, man?
Good to see you, brother.
Yo, thanks for making the travel. How was it, all right?
It was good. It was good.
Good.
Bro, that's still...
Yo, Skilly.
Shoot. It's too clean, dude.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't even look at it. So I tell people with my car.
Wild.
She's getting
Dude, that paint on the inside. You know how I've never seen fresh Moonlight Blue paint?
No.
Never in my life. Wow. Dude, the pictures definitely do not do that justice.
I know.
And then this guy takes pictures.
Dude,
of
it
the game.
smells like a new car.
Great. All right, we'll bring it up for you first.
That's nuts, man. I can't wait to go into details and show you guys what is going on here.
Go on your side.
Wow.
Still works.
Dude, the timeline that y'all knocked this out. Dude, you're a fucking animal. You too, Russo.
Good time.
Unfucking believable.
We just made it.
Hell, you almost made it with time.
No,
I guess.
we're still,
We're
bro,
still here
we're
all
still
day.
here all day
Finishing
working
stuff
every
and
night. All the
noticing
work.
things.
All the hours.
Dude, wow, yeah, that came out of, that fitment's like perfect.
We got lucky there. Like we said, I thought those tubes were gonna be too high in this hood.
And then yeah, I when I saw the pictures, I was kind of scared of the same thing. I was like, we might be cutting some things. But no, that's. Did you measure it before you put the bars in for hood height?
No.
What? No.
Yeah,
Just
got lucky.
Yeah.
Just straight got lucky.
I got terrible lighting in
That's-
this corner, but I want to show you the bottom before we take.
Yeah,
it
no,
off.
I totally want to see the bottom.
We definitely
totally want to see the bottom.
I gotta be honest with you.
What?
Time was something we didn't have. The paint is still wet.
Still wet.
Still wet. You know what I'm saying? We
That's
just
how
made-
fresh the car is.
Just made time restraint. The paint itself is still wet, so
Under here, yeah.
try not to touch. I get the
Wow.
wand. Where's the wand, Bill?
Well, looking at it, you can really tell how light that floor pan is now. There's a lot of things that used to be there that's not there anymore.
Not there anymore.
What do you mean by weight?
Yeah.
We made bets earlier tonight on the wall there on what we think it's gonna weigh dry, just like
Just
this.
chassis
No,
like
no
this.
problem.
I gotta go back in the video and see what it was, because I don't even remember what it was.
I wrote it down. It was 1,815 pounds.
1815. So we're gonna slap the billet block in it,
Yeah.
and then the empty K-series transmission, because that will match the empty K-series or the empty SHO transmission.
Right. I came with.
The only difference is this motor has a block or a crank.
Yes.
So the billet motor has a crank in it. This one doesn't. But
That'll offset your old weight.
what are the bets at? What are we betting here? Where's the weights?
I'm 1250.
I
1250.
guessed 1,412.
And the other
These are the guys working on the car, and they're betting 1412. 1412 is 400 pounds.
Yeah, I think so.
You look at your new side rockers and stuff you
Dude.
got going on here. Brand new.
Well, just having fresh rocker panels, holy crap. Like, you know, like 6 months out of these like cars being made from the factory, they were already rusted out. Like, like in 1996, this thing had no rockers, okay?
You got fresh rockers, no more rust. That's all gone.
Unbelievable.
Well, too.
I mean, yeah, this is...
Yeah, the quick connects for your subframe.
To link it to the chassis. Still remove this.
so clean.
I'm excited to get the engine in here.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna look so good when I show you guys the billet in person.
Oh yeah,
Bro,
this guy's
it's-
got me want to go buy billet motors and
It's
shit.
so nice. It's too nice, to be honest. It's too nice for the car.
It's too nice for the car.
Well, maybe not anymore. It
Now-
was too nice.
now the car's
It
nice.
was too nice
We
for
had
the
to
car.
make sure the car had a good
Yeah.
spot for a nice billet motor. I said.
Let her down. Look, the car is so light, the lift doesn't want to come down.
Yeah.
Oh, and you already got the rear glass mounted in, too?
What? That's in 100%.
Yo!
Sealed and trimmed.
I can already tell it fits way better than when I did it.
I kept it saran wrap because I don't have any microfiber to clean it.
He gets funky and then seals the outside too, so it's all window welded, permanent.
Dude. Yeah, come there. First time sitting in the car. Cause I didn't say, last time I sat in it, we didn't have any funny car, the funny car cage done. Dude, the paint is too nice for me to sit in. I don't even want to like scratch it. Oh, you lowered that bar too.
Yeah.
I can totally tell that. Oh no, you don't. I don't think you need to move it. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. This car's too nice for me. I can't take it home. You're just gonna have to keep it. Oh man. Dude, this thing's gonna look so sick in the vibrant booth. Like so sick.
I don't know if you noticed, but if you look up, that's the only thing we didn't paint.
We didn't paint over all your sticker patch up there.
Wait. Oh, you left all my stickers.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Just to keep
Dude, like, look, I got like NHRA stickers from like, this is the sticker from the first time I ever drag raced this car.
Hell yeah.
It went 15-1.
Nice.
And I got an NHRA sticker to put in here.
That's cool. That's why we didn't go over those, like
That's
a
awesome,
omen
guys.
to the OG chassis.
I can already tell this thing is like way lighter because it was rolling when I got in it. It didn't used to roll when I sat in it. Like, no shit.
It is. Oh, that is.
There's plenty of room in here too. Like, you got the spacing on this is perfect.
What I want to hear. Here we go.
Like,
Yep, and make sure to kick that out so shut their elbow room.
man. Yeah, that sounds like it sounds like a beer can. Let me see this real quick. No, there is no SHO Taurus floor that sounds like this. Like,
Got the extra big beer can
it
for
is
you.
so beer can. You want to see an Australian billet block?
Fuck yeah.
All right. Yeah, check that thing out.
Oh. Man, this trailer is really nice.
Yeah, you can just shut it. Just pull it shut.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, slam it.
More.
I'm afraid, bro. No way.
Maybe I don't know how to use my trailer.
What do I got going on here?
Oh, there it is. What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing. That's it.
Done broke my trailer,
Oh,
bro.
man, that means I know it now.
It is busted now.
There we go.
How's this guy ever gonna
He
see?
hit the lock.
Oh my god. I don't know how to work these nice things. That's why we don't have nice things.
What was I thought with that extra plate?
No, it's pretty
That's
low.
the thinnest fucking oil man I've ever seen in my life.
And so, see the little water necks I made?
Yeah.
There's 300 thou between this and that hose fitting. And that plate's 250 thou.
Oh my god. Yo. I like the extra braces you made.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You were
I was so
sweating it.
scared.
You were sweating
I'm
it.
like, do you look how many straps I got on this
guy
thing?
got this thing.
I welded braces to the.
This thing could go through a tornado. This fucking thing.
Well, I'm like, I did it and I put it in here and I was like shaking it and I was like, oh, it still shakes.
It shakes. Strap it.
again.
Weld
More
it.
straps.
Strap it. Weld it.
Strap the wing. I almost welded to the trailer.
Oh
This
my God,
manifold is
bro.
gorgeous.
You were not lying, Bill.
What?
Oh, bro, I brought everything.
It's tall.
It's a big girl.
The oil tank.
Yeah.
Holy
We were
fuck.
debating on what size it was going to be and where we would put
How
it
many,
behind the bunker.
how many quarts is that?
It's 2.5 gallon.
2.5, see? Oh man, I seen a couple that were like 3, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is tall.
Yeah, we'll find out where stuff sits, and then
Yeah.
I
see.
even brought all my old shit.
Oh, great.
Nice.
No, that's good to have.
Yep.
Brought all the extra Vangens, fuel tank, extra intercooler, cause it's got other fucking Vangens and shit on it.
Perfect.
Oh, there you go.
I mean, with the
What's
amount
that?
of vibrant stuff they send, I think we got everything we need.
Yeah, Vibrant covers you really well,
They
man.
crushed it.
Oh man, now that's a beaut.
Yeah.
Bro, look at the drop off.
Yeah, there's the ledge.
Bro.
We might just clear.
It's a beautiful piece right there,
That's
isn't it?
wicked,
Nice.
right?
The rear case we had powder coated, so it all looked nice.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous.
What? You just block it off?
Yeah, there's just gonna be a plate and you just block it off and it's done. Like run it front wheel drive.
Nice. Still be ready for the all wheel.
Yeah, I think this thing's gonna look sick in there.
This thing is sick.
You already got the big
Man, these are nice
studs in
headers,
there and
man.
everything?
Yeah. Yeah, 1/2 inch head stud. So those are the heads I'm gonna be running.
Okay.
But of course they're empty. Like everything's empty. Like I just have stuff in there to make it look like a motor.
Understood. Couldn't really.
I got new valve covers, so they're not gonna be this. Like I got ones that are shaved, there's no bungs and shit on them. I'm just gonna be running 2 of the motion vents instead of 4, because I don't need 4 now that I got a dry sump.
These are nice. I just saw your
Dude,
video
they're
today
so
talking
beautiful.
about how to keep oil out of your catch can.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I never even seen those before.
And the guys who don't know how to weld, like
Yeah,
most of the time
yeah.
you're taking your valve covers to a fab guy to weld bungs on. How many? I mean, you do 100 of those a year. You can buy those and you can literally bolt them on with an O-ring seal.
Yeah, that's really nice.
But yeah, I got, dude, 2 massive boxes of vibrant stuff.
Right?
I got all the hoses,
Man,
all the
those guys,
pipe.
those guys
Yeah.
really covered you with fittings, man.
Yeah.
Fittings are like buku
Dude,
bucks, you know?
buku bucks, and you can order what you think you need and have it like, you know exactly what you need, and then when you go to assemble, it's not what you need.
Still wrong.
It's still wrong.
You're right, and then you have a drawer full of wrong fittings.
Yeah.
You're totally right.
But yeah, so
Must
my
be
idea is that
inside
I think the plate will actually slide maybe through there. I don't know. It depends.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
See.
It's all new.
It's just enough room for the plate back.
It's literally just enough room. I was like, when I finally got all that assembled and I saw it sat like right behind the bowl holes, I was like,
Wow.
yeah, we're gonna have to countersink those now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, bell housing, it should be 100% identical.
Can't wait to get to all that
Dude,
stuff.
it's gonna look
Up on
it's
here.
gonna look wild when we put that thing in the
This
car,
thing is
dude.
awesome.
It's like 2 years of like life savings right here. I was gonna build a shop, dude.
It's a high
Like I was literally getting ready to build a shop and I bought a block.
Hair on it. I don't even want to
You even
touch it.
engraved it for him?
Yeah,
Yeah.
on both sides.
The next morning.
I guess it's my alarm clock. That's totally my alarm clock. Good morning, guys. I slept in the trailer last night because we got to get to work early. So let me pop some shoes on and go see what's going on.